G'day Groovers. A quick update as to the MTB parks that will be open this weekend following the flood damage repairs. Starting at the northern end of the Sunshine Coast, Victory Heights at GYMPIE will be closed until May. MT.JOYCE open. Parklands, good to go. Ferny Forest is also open. SUGARBAG, unfortunately, is still closed until further notice. Heading through Brisbane, Bunyaville, the northern half is open except for Jurassic. Samford Ironbark, open. Daisy Hill has 2 trails closed, Jumping Ant and Possum Box. The rest are fine. Underwood, okay. Cornubia, open. MT.COTTON is still undergoing repairs. BAYVIEW is also closed. REDLANDS, same-o. And work is still being done on Gap Creek. Heading down the Gold Coast now, Glossy Black Reserve at Reedy Creek is open, along with Nerang. CASTLEHILL out Ipswich Way is still closed. However, Hillview Drive Circuit at Ipswich is open. Heading out west, Hidden Vale is open. Jubilee at T-Bar is good to go. Crk-OPEN is open. And MT.JOYCE is still closed for repairs. Stay in touch for further updates. Have a great weekend of riding, boys and girls. Keep smiling and keep shredding. Bye.